Hey guys, it's Makeup by Harrison, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this festival glam look. I know festival season is like here, and it's going to be throughout the summer, so this was just a look I threw together. I'm not personally going to any festivals, but I just felt like if you guys were going to festivals, this is a very easy, simple, not simple, but like glam look you can do. If you want to see how to create this look, just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream. I think this is just like the normal color. I know they have other colors, but I wanted to try this out, so I bought the sample size, and I think I'm going to buy the bigger size in like the golden like shade of that. I have a sample and I really like it. I used it all, but I really like the golden strobe cream. I mean, this one's good too, but I like the golden one a little better. So I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Foundation. And if you guys watch my videos, you know this is like my favorite foundation. I just love how full coverage it is, and it doesn't crease, and it's just like so cheap, and like it's just a really good foundation. So to set my face, as you know, this is my favorite face powder. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow powder. So I'm just gonna dust this all over my face, and since we're doing like a festival look, most of the festivals I know of are in the summer, so we want to stay like dewy and just like not natural, but just like we want a very dewy look. So I'm gonna go with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm sorry if like you guys want me to change up my products. I'm gonna do like a first impressions video, but I really like using LA Girl for some reason. I just feel like their products are really good, so go give them a try, because they're really cheap and affordable, and they work really well. So now I'm going to set all the places I put my concealer with the Coty Airspun powder. I'm just going to put a little on the top, and I'm not really going to bake, but I'm sort of going to bake. I like doing somewhere in the middle where like it's not that really brightening, like it's not going to like really whiten like and brighten your face, but it still like is going to like set and brighten it a little. So for bronzer, once again, I'm going to go with my favorite bronzer, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to swirl the top around and just bronze up my cheeks and all the places that you would put bronzer in. So now I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go in with the middle shade. And I'm just going to kind of contour and carve out my cheeks a little. And I'm also going to go in with the banana shade in the middle. And with a powder brush, I'm just going to dust it under my eyes just to brighten it just a little more. Yeah. I'm going to do my brows off camera with the Anastasia Dip Brow, and then we're going to go on to highlighter. So for highlight today, I'm going in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm going to go in with Glow Getter. It's this shade right here. But first I'm going to spritz my face with the Mario Badescu Purple Spray, and you know, this is one of my favorite sprays right now. And I'm going to spritz my brush with it. And I'm going to go in with the middle shade. And my face is a little wet from that spray, but alright, and then just put it, you know, all the regular places you put highlighter. I'm doing something later on in this look that I don't think I've ever done before. You'll see. Oh, I just hit pan on this shade. But yeah. So for eyes, I just got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I think you guys know how to prime your eyelids. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelids and then blend it. So for setting my eyes, I think I'm just gonna use, I think both of the whites in that shade are shimmer, so I'm just gonna use like Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna set my eyes so the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer doesn't crease all over them. So we're gonna be doing a pink and yellow cut crease. So I'm gonna go in with the first and second pinks. So this pink and then the one below that, and then I just mix them. And I think I explained how I do my cut creases in my last video, or the video before that. But basically, I just make a line where I want like the shadow to be above, so like I can blend above that. So I just go in with that. If you wanna, I think I explain more in depth, so I'll link that video below. But sort of like that, so just like a line. This is my first time using the palette, except like I practiced this look before it, so I like know if I liked it, but yeah, so just like a line like that, and then, so I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm going to take the top shade, and then the shade. I don't know if they have shade names. No, I don't think they do, but I'm just going to blend above the pink line, and you can get below it, because you're going to cut it with concealer later, and glitter, so just blend that like that. So I did both eyes, and then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to kind of carve out underneath, so like we cut the crease. And you just want to make like it sharp on the end, and just like cut it like that. So the glitter I'm using to cut the crease is the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and it has such a weird name. But I'm just going to cut the crease sort of like that. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, and I'm going to go under my eye with that. Sort of like that. I'll be right back when I do it. So I put the yellow under my eye, and this is kind of like festival-y, but I'm going to put on my liner, and then you're going to see what the real surprise is. Okay, so I finished up with my eyes, and I don't know how the next part is going to work out. But I ordered this glitter, this silver holographic glitter on Amazon. I'll link it down below if this works and you want to try it. But I don't have a glitter glue. So I know the MAC strobe cream is like tacky. So I'm going to take some and put it like under my eye. Like that. Just bear with me. I tried it a couple days ago and it worked. So then I'm going to take this brush and like sort of pack it on like that until you have like sort of like a triangle shape. Sort of like that. And then if there's like strobe cream on like, not that you're going to be using strobe cream, but you can use like any tacky base. So like that, sort of. I'm going to finish this eye up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it ended up working out fine. I don't know if like you actually went to a festival and you used strobe cream or like any tacky base. I would recommend buying glitter glue, but this was only for like the video's sake. So I figured it would be fine. So then I'm going to finish this look off with my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Mannequin. It's one of my favorite nudes. And I'll be right back when I finish doing this. So, I finished my face off with the Glam Glow Glow Setter Setting Spray and the Mario Badescu Purple Spray. But, yeah, that's all. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see out of this channel. If you want more of these fun glam looks, just comment down below. And, yeah, thanks.